All right, here we are, Tuesday, August 6th. It's 12:49. 10 more minutes left in the market. And I thought I'd just come in here and watch the last 10 minutes of this trade. This is the profit bomb trade for today. And you see I have these three structures. Well, first of all, we have a guaranteed profit all the way through of 265 on this trade. So no matter what happens, the worst case scenario is that we'll wind up with 265 bean burritos today. And we were just up here a minute ago, and it's making a move down. I thought it might pin at 5,300, which I got a great idea about what's something that he did. He just kind of like, I think if I understood him correctly, he scattered some out there, just sort of randomly or strategically. That's what I did with this one pretty much. I strategically saw that we were close to the 5,300, so this thing's really kind of moving around here at the end, isn't it? Anyway, so I strategically placed a bomb right there at 5,300, but it looks like that's not going to happen now. It just really moved down pretty good. That was probably like 20 minutes ago or so. So now we're here. We have 10 minutes left, and I'm thinking maybe it'll come down in here. I think that there are certain levels that it's more prone to pin at if there's a pin. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just making it up. Maybe I'm just wanting to believe that. But I've seen like big round numbers like 5,300 pin. But if we could perfect or if we could just get a good idea, like the probabilities of what type of levels or numbers that it's more prone to pin at, that could be really cool with this strategy. We could just try to design the strategy, build it in such a way so that it we put the bulk of our bombs near those levels. So maybe we'll come down and hit this one. I think that this level right here is let me see here. I got another chart up here. I think 250 is the level, like yesterday's low. And we seem to be going down there. Maybe it'll overshoot a little bit. That's my hope. It'll overshoot that level just a little bit. And just say, what the heck? I'll just land in here, and get me up to like $750. But yeah, it's weird. 20 minutes ago, this wasn't even on my radar. I thought we were going to be in this one actually, because we were hovering around in here. This really made a nice move down, and maybe we'll end up here. Hope. Come on, lucky 7. Let's see. I'm just going to watch. I'm just going to let this play real time. And maybe I'll put some of my suspenseful music on. That seems to sort of help this thing pin. And if it does pin, I'm going to try to find some sound effects like a casino, like a jackpot in a casino. With all the bells going off and all the coins falling out of it. But I'm getting ahead of myself way too far. I mean, come on. I'm counting my chickens before they hatch. Well, maybe not. Here we go. Maybe. Oh boy. This is the most exciting part of my day. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. We got 7 minutes left. We got 7 measly minutes. Just cruise on down there. Just kind of settle in there at 245, 52.45. That's all. That's all you need to do. Might go to 250. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. That's like yesterday's low, which the high and the low, the previous day's high and low seem to be really good levels, like magnet levels. Look at that. Here it comes. It's coming right into 250. Just overshoot. Keep going down and just overshoot it a little bit. I wonder if it's worth praying about. I think that's probably a waste of a prayer. I need to save those prayers for when I really. Oh, there we go. Look at this. As soon as I started talking about that, maybe so. Maybe that's part of the key to this whole game. When I was a kid, I remember my parents were religious parents. We were a religious family growing up, and actually pretty conservative. I'm not now, really, but boy, back then we were. Okay, we got 5 minutes left. Anyway, I remember we would pray all the time. We'd have prayer every night, and before we went to bed. And I remember the big summer trip one summer was we were going to go down to Disneyland. We were going to go down to LA. We lived up in Northern California. Chico. Have you ever heard of Chico? Actually, no. Actually, at that time, we lived in a place called Angwin. You know where Angwin is? Calistoga, Napa, that area. Anyway, the night before our big trip down to Disneyland, oh man, we were also, us kids were so excited. We were just like, I couldn't even fall asleep at night. It was like better than Christmas. I was like, man, I'm going. But my biggest fear, as I laid there in bed staring at the ceiling, was that Jesus was going to come that night before I had a chance to get down to Disneyland. And so I started to pray. I started praying, dear Jesus, please don't come please don't come back and take us all to heaven before I get to go to Disneyland tomorrow. Look at this. We might pin here. We have 3 minutes. Oh, I don't want to get my hopes up too high. Now we're going too far. Back up a little bit. Settle down. Come on. There we go. That's right. Oh boy. Right there is where we want to wind up. 52:45. 0-0. So just hang out there for the next 3 minutes. Come on. Don't keep going down. This is going to be the longest 3 minutes of my life. Just stay right there. Oh God, it's making me nervous. It's going too. Come on, no, that's too far. Go back. Just back up a little bit. You don't want to go down there. You got 2 minutes, 30 seconds. It's going to break my heart again. It's a heartbreaker. Stock market. Just kind of sitting there. It's not really moving down anymore, so maybe it will come back in. I mean, 52.45 seems like a good level to settle at, right? Okay, we got 1 minute, 53 seconds. Just back up a little bit. No, that's the wrong way. I better start the old blow trick. Oh, hey, it worked. It seems like it's working. Every time I blow it, you can see it. I'm just slightly blowing on the left side of that. Oh, no, you're going to not too far. Come on. 1 minute, 27 seconds. Oh God, it looks like it's getting further and further out. I mean, we're at the low of this bar right now. So you just need to back up a little. Oh, every time it moves down, I feel it in my stomach. Okay, we got 1 minute and 2 seconds left. This is it, the final 60 seconds. Hey, I think it's coming back a little bit. Blow on it. Come on. Oh God. Wrong way. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay, 38 seconds. What do you guys think? Put in your bets. You think it's gonna go in? It's going in. It's probably gonna fake. It's faking us out. Ah, that hurts right there. Ooh. 23 seconds. You don't want to pin it to 52.40. You want to go up. Yeah, that's right. You want to go up a bit. That's right. Keep going. 52.41. No, wrong way. Oh God, 10 seconds left. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Son of a... Oh, wait. That was pretty close, but not close enough. Close enough. Pretty close doesn't cut it. So it looks like we pinned right there at 52.40-ish, pretty much. So that's right at that turn. So I don't think we got any extra moolah today. So it looks like we got $265 for the day profit. That's okay. See, at least we still made $265, and it's all locked in. For the majority of the day, it was all locked in and guaranteed. No stress, no pressure. Yeah, these profit bombs are really fun. I really like this way of trading. This is my new way of trading. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. All right, that's it for this one. So the very first trade I put on today, I made a full recording of the entire trading session. You can check that out. Just go into the members area of my trading school. And if you're a member of the Profit Bomb training, just go in there. It's going to be under a section in their module that I call Complete Live Walkthrough, I think. And that's going to be the first trade, which was this one. Just real time, going through the whole trade, seeing the signal, putting on the trade, managing it, etc., etc. So to check that out, just go into the school site. And if you're not a member of the course yet, this project yet, this training, and you'd like to be, just reach out to me, email me. The easiest way to email me is just to go over to my website, sign up for my free email newsletter. And when you do that, you'll get a welcome email sent out to you. Just reply back to that welcome email. And in the subject of the email or the body in big, like in caps or something, so I can easily see it, just put, tell me about the Profit Bomb, or I'd like to join the Profit Bomb project. I'll get back to you and we'll go from there. So this was another success today, another winning trade, another great Profit Bomb. Wound up with $265. Wound up with this risk-free floating position. Almost got pinned there. And if it would have pinned anywhere in here, we would have made more. Anywhere on that slope, with the max would have been 738-ish. But it wasn't meant to be, I guess. All right. Anyway, so that's it for this one. If you'd like to follow along with me on these trades or any of my other live trades that I'm doing, just make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel below. Hit that subscribe button. Also join me on my website. Go over there, sign up for my free email newsletter, and we'll go from there. All right. That's it for this one. See you tomorrow.